Je dis bonjour à à des amis que j'ai rencontrés en navigation qui sont polonais. Alors c'est toujours sympathique de rencontrer d'autres navigateurs que nous avons déjà rencontrés mais on ne s'est pas salué, à Bonifacio en Corse. Et là on se rencontre de nouveau à Palerme et probablement qu'on va se rencontrer de nouveau à Vulcano. Voilà, I see. Just to have a shot.
It's very nice.
Yeah. And you.
Don't show it. It's before 12 o'clock.
It's because of the weather.
Oh yeah, sure.
So we will go to visit the town.
Oh, it's very nice. It's very nice. A bit dirty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not only a bit.
yeah, not only
a lot.
But the buildings are very nice. Like there's have you been here before?
No, it's first time.
There is a beautiful square with like a fountain.
Yeah.
And we really, it's so many nice buildings.
Yeah. Okay. So have fun.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
And see you perhaps on the way.
Yes, hopefully. We will be going to Vulcano today.
Today, okay.
If the electrician fixes the thing.
Okay.
And we will stay in Lipari for...
Lipari?
Yeah. I mean the islands. I don't know if in the city. But like 3-4 days we think.
Yeah. Okay.
So
take care. If big winds are forecasted, is no protection in this island. Last time we must leave. We checked the weather at midnight, and the next day at 7 we must go to be able to go to the Messine. Because sometimes the wind is not in the right direction.
There's also like strong tide.
Yeah.
We have an app that shows the tides. I don't know if you know. I can show you. But it shows only tides. It doesn't show the wind.
Okay.
It's only for the strait. Some people in I think we're in Arbatax in Sardinia.
Arbatax, yeah.
They showed us. So basically,
Arbatax, we know.
It shows you like you can choose the time and the date. I don't know. Let's say you want to cross tomorrow, and then it shows you like 11:30. No, not a good time to go.
Okay.
It's called. Let me see.
Take care not to
drop it. Yeah. It's called. Wait, how is it called? Correnti dello Stretto.
Okay.
It's in Italian, but
Italian.
It's very easy.
Okay.
I will need to run to the office.
Okay. So,
have you been to the office? The guy will
my friends are already there.
Okay. Did they give you the map?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
the map is very handy.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
And see you around.
Okay.
Very nice meeting you.
See you. Okay. Okay. 5 minutes?
5 minuti, 10 minuti, non poco.
Ok, ok, grazie. Ah, c'est sympa. Ah. Sabine.
No, ma io ce l'ho da dare perché se devo piazzare un
Comment ça s'appelle ça?
ci siamo dallo zio da va visite siamo andati.
Regarde l'espadon, Sabine.
Les gens, ils peuvent pas se tromper. Hein.
La granella, la farina, abbiamo tutto.
Hein?
Les autres 4, 10.
Ah, c'est des prunes.
Ma dai là, che tu vai a C'était Frisch Market Palerme.
Ok, c'est un autre marché ça.
C'est le marché de Palerme.
Marché de Palerme. Ok. C'est aussi le poids qui supporte la graisse.
Ora siete stop e siete nous che la padrona di Palermo.
Vulcano.